Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals. Let y0, y1, y2, y3 and so on yn be a set of values of an unknown function y equal to f of x corresponding to the values of x0, x1, x2, xn. Then Lagrange's formula become f of x is equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4, x minus xn whole divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 up to x0 minus xn into y0. So in numerator x0 term is absent, so same x0 term we are to using in denominator, plus second term is x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4. In numerator x minus x1 term is absent, so same x1 term we are to using in denominator term, x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into y1, plus third term is x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3. So here numerator x2 term is absent, so use same x2 term in denominator, that is x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2. We will continuing the same process up to n time, which use the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Now the examples on Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals. First example, using the Lagrange's formula, find interpolating polynomial that approximates to the function described by the following table. X sin f of x. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y values are 3, 6, 11, 18, 27. Then we will calculating f of 0.5 and f of 3.1. Solution. Here we will considering x values are x0, x1, x2, x3 up to x4, and f of x value is considered as y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Now we have to using these values in Lagrange's formula. So f of x equal to, first term is x minus x1, x1 value is 1, x minus x2, x2 value is 2, x minus x3, x3 value is 3, x minus x4 is 4. Now use x0 value, that is 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 4 into y0, y0 is 3, plus next term is x minus x0, so x minus x0 is 0. Then second term is x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4. Now denominator term is x1 minus x2, x1 is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4 into y2. So continue the same term up to y5. Then here we will substituting x value as 0.5 and simplify, so which use the value of f of 0.5 as 4.25. Then similarly substitute x equal to 3.1 again in the same function and simplify, which use the f of 3.1 value. Second example, given the values x sin f of x, evaluate f of 9 using Lagrange's formula. So here f of 9 is in the form of f of x form. So x value become 9. Then solution. So write the values of x0, x1, x2 up to x4, and y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. So use all these values and including x equal to 9. So substitute these values in Lagrange's formula and simplify, which gives f of 9 value as 810. Suppose in the problem, if they are not given the value of x, then we cannot get it the result in the number here. So after simplifying, we will get it the result in equation form here. Next one is Lagrange's formula for inverse interpolation. We can interchange the role of x here. So in Lagrange's formula, in place of x, if you use the y term, which use the inverse interpolation formula. So you have just replaced x by y, y1, y, y2, and x0, x1, x2 is replaced by y, y0, y1, y2 is replaced by x0, x1, x2. So which use the Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula. So when they are given the value of y in the problem, then we have to apply inverse formula. If they are given the value of x in the problem, then you have to use Lagrange's interpolation formula. Now the examples on Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula. First example, apply Lagrange's formula to find a root of the equation f of x equal to 0, given that f of 30 equal to minus 30. It means that x0 value is 30, y0 is minus 30. F of 34 equal to minus 30 means x1 is 34, y1 is minus 13, and so on. So f of x equal to 0 means they will given the value of y. With the help of y equal to 0, now we will calculating the value of x here. So write the Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula and substitute the values of x0, x1, x2, y0, y1, y2, y3. So this procedure is similar like the above example, and after simplifying we will get the value of f of x as 37.2303, which is the approximate root. So next example is given x and f of x value. So find the value of x for which f of x equal to 0. So here also they will given the value of y as 0. So with the help of y equal to 0, calculate x by using inverse interpolation formula. So you have to try this example as in above form.